Interpreting the best places job market involves analyzing various data points to understand the employment landscape of a particular area. To start, navigate to the Best Places website and select the city or region you are interested in. The job market section provides an overview of the local economy, including the major industries, job growth rate, and average salary. The first key concept to understand is the job market index, which is a composite score that takes into account factors such as cost of living, job growth, and salary. A higher index score indicates a stronger job market. For example, a city with a high job market index score may have a low unemployment rate, high average salary, and a diverse range of industries. Next, examine the Major Industries section, which lists the top employers and industries in the area. This information can help you identify in-demand jobs and sectors that are driving the local economy. Look for industries that align with your skills and interests, and research the top employers in those fields. The job growth rate is another important metric to consider. A positive job growth rate indicates that the job market is expanding, while a negative rate suggests that the market is contracting. This information can help you determine whether a particular city or region is a good place to launch or advance your career. In addition to these metrics, the Best Places job market section also provides information on the average salary, unemployment rate, and cost of living. These data points can help you determine whether a particular area offers a high quality of life and a strong job market. To get the most out of the Best Places job market data, it is essential to compare multiple cities and regions. This will give you a sense of how different areas stack up in terms of job market strength, salary, and cost of living. You can also use the data to identify trends and patterns, such as which industries are growing the fastest or which cities have the lowest unemployment rates. By following these steps and analyzing the key metrics, you can gain a deep understanding of the Best Places job market and make informed decisions about your career and where to live. Remember to always consider multiple factors and data points, and to research thoroughly before making any decisions. With this knowledge, you can navigate the job market with confidence and find the best opportunities for success.